What is going on, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. It's another explore. No, I'm not walking funny. I'll show you exactly what I'm walking on. I'm walking over the sleeper plants, poster chickens, because I'm on an old railway line. Yes, that's right, old railway line. Don't worry, it's not active. There's no trains going to be coming. Gates are closed that end, gates are closed this end. I've already driven through and had a little check. But nonetheless, I'm on an explore to a gorgeous old, I think it's two houses actually, Victorian houses. The back of them was pretty much collapsed. There's nothing in the houses, but visually they're so appealing. Now I've come in a different way to what people normally come in on this explore. That's right, I like being different, didn't it? But you know, I thought there was work going on that end with Western Power, so I thought, you know, rather than interrupt them interrupt me, I'll come in across a different way. So I've climbed an embankment, got up onto the tracks, and here we am. And I'm a little bit out of breath. I tell you what, this lockdown, can't wait to get back into the gym, start running again, start getting a bit active. Because, you know, it'll be 3 months without the gym so far, and I'm fed up with it. I can see through the trees exactly where I'm going to explore. And nonetheless, a few of you said about my beard as well. Don't forget, I used to have a beard down here, so for me, this is quite short at the minute, but I'm on a sort of protest until things open back up again. Well, barbers, etc., which is hopefully soon, so just been letting it grow. Nonetheless, you've come here to see some explores, not me rambling on as per usual. I just want you to see exactly what I can see. Look at that up there. Man, that's insane. I love it. So there's a brook here, so I'm not going to cross here. I'm going to go down a little bit further, hop over, respect privacy, and just straight walk up. Literally, you won't even tell like I've been here. Not that you can tell in the forest anyway, but as I said, stick to those rules. Don't take anything, don't break nothing. If it's locked, walk away. But that's wide open, so let's catch up in a little bit. There we go, we're currently walking up the hill. 2 fences to hop over. Smarter, not harder. Found an easy spot. Obviously this is active farmland. Hello sheeps. Just respect them, they won't be any problem to you. And there we go, look at these, this is so surreal. Man, these would make incredible houses. I can even see the original tile inside there. That's awesome. Gorgeous. Oh yeah, that's falling through, alright. What a shame. The views as well you've got. That's phenomenal. Tell you what, we'll go around the outside of this place. Even though it's trashed, be respectful. Oh shit. Oh, look at that fireplace up there. And I tell you what, the patina on that door, the way that's aged over the years. That's so damn cool. Jesus. Look, you can see the cupboards still open up in there. That's cool. So we've got a family of sheep coming. Don't want to upset them. Probably think I've got food for them. Mans don't share his food, so we've got a little bit of a railway carriage out the back. I'm with you. Let's continue through. So we'll walk across this. If I did fall, I used to be on film, so you can all laugh at me and say what an idiot. Sorry if it's jumpy in places, guys. Oh man, old sheep carcass. That's sad. Sorry if it's a bit dark too. Obviously the sheep do stay in here by the looks of things. Doesn't take a genius to work that one out. More carcass. Lovely old unit. Features of this place, I tell you what, I didn't think there's any point venturing upstairs. See the state on the floors. I'm 21 stone at the end of the day. Even though it is easy enough. I tell you what, come all this way though and not walk upstairs would be a crime. Switched outside. So there we go, boys and girls. I know me looking back on this footage, putting it together, it would have killed me and it would have killed you as well, not actually venturing up the stairs. So let's go have a nosy. Jesus, that's spooky enough as it is. It's an old ram's head. Jesus. Just get past that. Sorry, a bit jumpy then. Alright, let's see how safe it is actually up here. So we've got a bathroom. Jesus. Bit of tile left. Got a bit of wallpaper or what's that, lino? It might have been actually up here. Back bedroom, don't fancy that one too much. I'll spin you through shit. Look at that, my foot's sogging. Yeah, that's just the bathroom, right, okay then. Look at this hallway. God, can you imagine this house? It could be phenomenal. Bedroom, lovely fireplace, love that. A bit of leatherette base off a chair. Some drums in here. Jesus. Oh, cupboard, lovely age wear on that as well. The way that's gone. Oh, a nice old cast iron fireplace. That's gorgeous. Spin you back through then. Well, I found the toilet. Into that lounge. Lounge into the main bedroom even. Down to the lounge, that's what I was looking at. God, check that. Incredible. Tell you what, the views of this place as well are spectacular. I tell you what guys, I'm really enjoying getting back into this exploring game. I think the 2 years off is exactly what I needed. You know, this isn't full of stuff, but I've never known about it in the 12, 13 years that I've been exploring. I've never seen it until last weekend. So, Mr. Lewis, sir, you're a gentleman. Thank you very much for sharing it with me. I do appreciate it. Yeah guys, there's some incredible stuff coming soon. When this video drops, it's probably only a week or two until restrictions are actually eased. So yeah, there's some stuff lined up. I've got over 1,000 pins on a map for the UK and Europe, and I think we go and check them all in it. Not all of them are going to be there, but I want to do them one by one. So that's all I'm saying. That stuff's coming up very, very soon. If you've liked it, thumbs up, appreciate it. If not, apologise. It's just me, not changing. Viking views, car stuff, portal paranormal stuff. Yeah, there's all sorts of stuff going on. So yeah, subscribe if you haven't, share it, appreciate it. Literally, it's free and it helps me so much. But aside from that, just check in. Most Fridays there's going to be a new video dropping. But I'm absolutely sweating after the hill I'm walking up here. So yeah, I'll see you all soon. Boosh!